Hey guys, David here, and I just want to give you a quick update on the new OpenAI Task Manager. It's basically almost like having your own agent working for you daily, literally. So I asked in the last video to go over the flights from JFK to Miami to find me under $100, the latest trend. So let me show you what this chatbot was doing every single morning. You could see right in here. He went through every single email. So let's take a look. JFK from Miami flights found. Let's view the message. Let me move this out of the way. All right, so check it out. So he scraped to Expedia, Kayak, Orbit, and it found under $100 right in here. $24, $18, $55, basically one way, obviously. So you could just click on it and just start going over the flights, and there you go. So it kind of gives you also like an overview of what to expect of those flights. What else? He gave the updates on the Grok, which I asked, and there it is. And there you go. Every single morning you wake up and I have the email on the latest updates. You could post it. You could use it for obviously your social media. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. If you're not sure where to go, you could just click once you log into OpenAI, okay? And it's right in here, and you could create your own tasks by just going here and asking whatever in the latest news, latest, I guess, White House. Don't want to be political, but that's what came up to me. And you could basically create tasks just like that.
I'm
Okay.
sorry, but
Oh,
I don't have access to.
oh, okay. Never mind. So anyway, that's how you create tasks. And once the tasks are created, it goes right in here. You could click on your top right, okay, and you could take a look at the latest tasks that you have, okay. So there you go, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.